Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video I am going to explain how to connect the domain I bought in the last video with a hosting. Well, first you have to enter this site infinityfree.net. Well, here you have to, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account hitting this button, sign up now. Well, if you already have an account, you can press client area button. Well, here you have to hit create an account now. Then here you have to hit custom domain, and then you have to type the name of your domain. And then you have to hit search domain. It says the domain is available. You just have to hit here and press create account. Now you have to copy this, and then you have to go to the website where you purchase your domain. Here in the domains website you have to press manage, and here you have to click right here to change the name servers, and you have to choose change name servers, and here you have to replace, and then click save. Well, you just hit close and then go back to the hosting server. Here you have to press create account. Now you can enter to the control panel. You just hit here. Here you just have to hit approve. Now you just have to wait until the name servers connect to your hosting. Well, it can take around 1 hour or 24 hours. You just have to verify entering to the website. If it is connected, you just have to write the name of your website, press enter. Well, now you can see the domain is already connected to the hosting, because here shows me infinityfree. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. In the next video I am going to explain how to install a SSL certificate. Remember to subscribe to not miss my next video. Here there is another video that might interest you. Have an excellent day. Bye.